Hello friends, if you don't know about Google Emoji Kitchen, then today I will tell you all about Google Emoji Kitchen site. First friends, you simply open Chrome browser and writing here Google Emoji Kitchen. Scroll down and click here. So friends, here you see Google Emoji Kitchen site open ready. Using Google Emoji Kitchen site, you can combine two emoji together. If you click here, you no need to change the emoji. Both emoji automatically will be changed and you will get a new emoji. Then friends, click here and copy this new emoji. Then you can send it to anyone. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.